What's in the box? A spreader base, 2 mounting straps, and a spreader hopper. Extreme Blower Products transforms your leaf blower into a spreader. Using a 1-inch hole saw, drill a hole through the plastic blower tube. Set the base open side facing the open end of the blower tube. Clasp mounting straps to the spreader base and wrap each mounting strap around the blower tube. The adjustable flow gate utilizes stainless steel detents, ensuring accurate material flow. Attach the hopper to the spreader base and turn the hopper clockwise 1/8 turn until it stops. The Extreme Blower Spreader turns your ordinary leaf blower into an extremely powerful and efficient hand spreader. Shop online at extremeblowerproducts.com.